Hey, hope all of you have been writing enough. As I was talking in my previous blog about journal writing, I would like to talk about another aspect of a writing skill today, that is power writing. Power writing, if I loosely define it for you, is a form of writing where every single line that you write, every single sentence that you write, has got some attraction to get some marks for you. So for that, it is very important for us that we decrypt this idea of power writing. Broadly, for your convenience, I like to break it into two parts only. One is focus. You should remember one thing: you do not write and I get the same thing that you write. I get something which I read from there with my own mindset. You write something which you express from your own mindset. And we have a huge gap between us. My background, my age, my conditions in which I am reading, all very different. So there has to be very disciplined writing, and there comes one component of power writing is focus writing. You have to be very sharp as far as your focus is concerned. So if the question comes, where there is a focus, sometimes the question has got multiple focus, 2 focus or 3 focus. At some later stage, I'll talk about how to understand the question. So if you have got a focus in the question, you should be very clear to understand that, yes, this is what I have to write. And then that becomes your answer, which is part of power writing. So you have to understand that aspect of focus writing. But then wherever focus that you have got, the same focus can be approached from multiple angles. These are various commands that we give. You approach from this angle, you approach from this angle, approach from this angle. The same focus gets treated differently if I ask you to evaluate, if I ask you to narrate, if I ask you to describe, if I ask you to... These aspects I'll talk about some other stage. But now what I'm trying to make you understand is that you should do a power writing where the flavor of these two components, focus writing and purpose writing, they both come together. And then in that case, the reader who has asked you a question would get an idea that it is being answered. So for answer writing, it is very important that we keep these two factors in mind: focus writing as well as purpose writing. So whatever focus that I have got, I have understood, and from whichever angle it has been asked to be described, I am describing. There's no wonder that you should not get good marks. Then in that case, me and you are on the same page. And that is one thing I like you to start practicing from today. Some other stage, I'll explain to you what are those ways to identify the focus, how to identify the focus in the question, and also what are the different types of commands that we have for the same focus. Till then, all the best. Do a lot of practice.